Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to paint a wall from start to finish. First of all, make sure you're properly prepared, covering up your floor coverings with dust sheets. And then we're going to start by removing anything from the walls. If you've got any screws or anything in the wall, we want to take all them out. So let's get on with that. Yeah. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to remove anything from the wall. Leave them in a little bit, and I'll show you how to pull the plugs out. You can get a hammer and just pull that out. Next job, what you want to do is you want to remove all the cobwebs. So if you've got any cobwebs, you can see that on the camera. I'm going to go around, dust all them off. Remove all them, you don't want them getting into your paint. Just go around all the corners especially, give it all nice dust off. Check the wall, see where it needs filling. So we've got a couple of bits there. Remove some screws. We've got a scrape on the wall there. We've also got a fill. So we're using some ready-made filler for this. Rub that in. Smoother you get that on, easier it's going to be to clean it up later, sand it up. A bit more for these holes. Fill that. Just going to apply thin bead into the crack. As to it down with the finger, smooth it down. I'll leave a nice clean cut. We are painting skirting boards on there as well. And we've got this wall prepared now. We're just going to let the filler dry, decorate his cork dry, and then next stage give it all a nice sand down, smooth, and then it's ready to paint. Okay, now that the filler's dry, decorate his cork dry on the floor. What we're doing is we're sanding it all down, all the way. The full wall, make sure it's nice and smooth all over. Don't have to do that, but if you do, you're going to get a nice, beautiful finish. We always try and do it. I've all prep work on this wall done now. And all the bits of filler on here, all we've done is we've just dabbed over them with some paint, just so it covers a bit better and it's not going to take 2 or 3 coats. And then next up now we're going to do is we're going to cut the wall in all around the edges. Okay, so when you're cutting in, you want to get a dab of paint on your brush, and then you want to take the excess off, and then you want to come in away from the wall, move in, and then run it down so your paint runs out, and then away, and then just brush that in. Take all the brush marks out, and that's how we do it. And then just repeat that all the way around the top. And you want to do it around any other fixtures you've got on the wall, radiators, switches, cutting around all them. And then we'll jump to the next stage, which is rolling the wall. So all the main part of the wall, I'm going to use a roller for that. So we're just dipping it, load it up. I've got a nice sheepskin roller on mine, so it holds quite a lot of paint. When you're rolling, you don't want to start right at the top or right at the bottom. You want to start round there, and again you don't want to go right to the bottom because you'll end up with a big lump of paint. And roll up, and next time you go right to the top of it, but you don't want to touch the ceiling. You don't want to touch the skirting board, and you want to go back over it a few times. So, as your roller starts to dry up, make sure you don't leave any edges on your paint, lips on your paint, because it'll look rubbish. Once your paint starts to run out, then go back over it, smooth it out, flatten it out. It's going to look beautiful. Yeah, Harvey? Yeah. See that? Beautiful. Next bit again. plenty of paint on your roller. Again, don't start right at the top, don't go right to the bottom, and up. Next time now your paint's dried up a bit, you can roll it right to the bottom, right to the top, going back onto the paint that you've just done. You're going to get a nice good coverage doing it that way. And then back over again, and then go past, so it's dried out, and then you're going to have a nice perfect smooth finish if you do it all like that. And you're going to get less coats of paint. So let's just stick it on time lapse now.